Hey everybody, it's been a long time. I haven't posted a video, especially a long form video on this channel because I was really busy for the past few months. I had a daughter, a newborn recently, and I'm super busy with her. So yes, I did not find enough time to post a video. So I thought, well, let's make a video today. And this is an unusual place. I am sitting inside my car, but you can ignore the background. Just focus on the topic that we are going to discuss today. By the way, if you are new to this channel, my name is Kostov and I stay in Germany. I've been living in Germany for more than 4 years, almost 5 years now. I did my master's degree in Germany, and right now I'm staying in Berlin. I'm working full-time as a software engineer. On this channel, you will find very useful information about study, work and life in Germany. So do consider subscribing to my channel. I'm sure most of the videos will help you. Let's get to the topic. Very important topic. Especially I am getting this question a lot on my topmate calls, and people who are applying for jobs, especially from India or from outside of Germany, they are having this question that we are getting asked whether we need visa sponsorships. First of all, let's be very clear, straight and simple. In Germany, you don't need visa sponsorship. This is a concept which is there in the US. My wife stays in the US, works in the US, so I know that in the US, your company or your employer must sponsor you for your visa, and that is how it works. Your company or your employer will file the visa for you, will pay for it, and that is how the visa process starts. And that is what is meant by visa sponsorship. In Germany, there's no such concept. In Germany, there are a few steps involved which are in between, like from your your offer letter to your onboarding. There are like multiple steps in between during the visa process, but technically visa sponsorship is not required in Germany because the German government does not make it mandate for the employer to file your visa. So if you have the offer letter, if you have the job offer, you can yourself raise the visa. And if you go to websites like makeitingermany.com, which is like the official website for immigrating to Germany, you can see there are multiple sources on that website which actually tells you that you can raise your own visa, different kinds of visa. It can be a job seeker visa, it can be a work visa, it can be a Chancenkarte, anything, blue card, everything you can apply on yourself, by yourself, and you don't need your company's assistance for the visa as such. But what you can tell the company is, if you are relocating from outside of Germany, there are multiple costs involved, like flight fare, your relocation charges, everything. That part you can tell your company that I need assistance, I need finding accommodation, or finding an appointment for the city registration, which are like the steps which comes after you land in Germany. That part you can tell your company that yes, I need assistance for that. But as such, for the visa or the work permit, just tell them I don't need any assistance. Now let's come to the part where I will tell you why you should say no. A lot of companies, they don't know, the HR people or the people experience people, they don't know the process or the different kinds of visa. Like, first of all, they don't know if somebody is outside of Germany, they don't know how to bring them to Germany. They don't know the technical or the legal aspects of it. That is the reason they just, as soon as they will see that you need visa assistance, relocation assistance, they will simply cancel your application, because they don't want to get into that complex situation where they will have to figure out your situation and they will have to do the whole process for you. They just want to avoid that. So what they will do is they will prefer someone who is already present in Germany, just to avoid that hassle. I've also heard many people who are on a Chancenkarte, they are also saying that HR people are not being able to understand their current visa status. They don't know more about the Chancenkarte, so they simply are canceling the applications. This is a big problem. So my suggestion would be that do not say yes to this visa assistance thing. Just say no. When you are applying for a job, if it is a question, if it is like an email, just say no. If it is a face-to-face discussion with an HR person or someone, just tell them I do not need a visa assistance. What I need though is I need the offer letter from the company. So just tell them that I can do my visa myself. I need, the only thing that I need from the company is the offer letter. That's it. The rest of the part I can handle myself. This will be a huge boost. Believe me, this will be a huge boost to your interview process, and the HR people, they will simply not cancel your application just because of that one thing. I have heard many people face this, and I know personally myself, I have spoken to HRs and I have spoken to talent acquisition people who have told me themselves that we prefer people who are on a visa that we know, rather than people on a Chancenkarte, or rather than people who are outside of Germany and we need to do the whole process from the beginning. There's another reason is that if you are telling them that I'm on a different visa, and if they don't know how to convert that visa, they are also not sure about the timeline. So let's say if I'm the HR and I don't know that if I need to transfer from visa type A to visa type B, if I don't know what is the time involved, and if, for example, the job position needs to be filled immediately, as an HR, I will simply reject your application because I don't know how much time that will take, right? So my suggestion, my final suggestion before I end this video, my final suggestion to all of the people who are applying for jobs in Germany, if you are finding a question, or if you are discussing about this visa thing, visa relocation assistance and all these things, simply say that I can raise my own visa. This is especially for people who are skilled workers, who are skilled labor. You are searching for jobs like software engineers or pharmacists or medical field people. If you are a skilled person, you can directly apply for a blue card, in fact, and that too you can do it yourself. The documents are very simple. The process is very simple. You can do it yourself. I did my blue card myself. I did my student visa myself. Everything I did myself. The process of visa in Germany is really simple and straightforward. You just need the correct documentation, and I can assure you, you can do it yourself. Just tell the HR person or the company where you are interviewing, just tell them that I want to complete the interview process and I need an offer letter, and I want a joining date which is, let's say, 2 months or 3 months from now, because even if you do the visa yourself, that visa processing time is at least 7 to 8 weeks minimum. Usually it's 8 weeks or 9 weeks by the time you will get your visa. So just tell them that I can handle my visa myself, but I need that amount of time so that I can get the visa, and they will they will accept it. Because I'll tell you the reason, because in Germany there is a 3 month, usually in most of the companies there is a 3-month notice period. So even if you are inside Germany, the company does not expect you to join immediately. They will expect you to join after 3 months, after you have completed your current notice period. So those 2 months, 3 months time you will easily get. They will absolutely accept that, but they don't want to get into that visa thing because they don't know about it. So before ending the video, again, just tell them I can handle my own visa. I hope this helps many of you, this information. I feel this is a very important information because many people are asking me this same question, that during application what should I say, yes or no. So this is my answer. I hope this helps. I hope you get a job. All the best, and I'll see you in the next video.